Hey, hello darlings, welcome to my channel. This is soSandy, and instead of talking about fashion and putting all this stuff together, I thought to do an unboxing. So I really fell in love with the channel of the hairstylist XMondo, or basically Brad Mondo, and I ordered one of his bundles. So this box is beautiful and it came with some really awesome stickers. I might put one on my phone, maybe, on a new case. And then some cards with okay, and then there were some cards. And first off, it said you're living your extra life. So first off, a disclaimer. This video was in no way sponsored or promoted or in collaboration with XMondo, Brad Mondo, but it was completely paid for and sponsored by John Brown, the husband. So without any further ado, let's go and see what else is in this box, this gorgeous box. It has the BDSM XMondo holding slick and defined ball, and as you will see in a little bit, when I'm starting to use this product, it does give a really good hold. The first ingredient is water, which I think is really important. And then I real quickly wanted to put in there that this is actually a bundle for waves and tousled waves and curls, and I just decided to not do that today, but use this smoothing oil. It's the Viper oil instead of all the other oils that I normally have been using in the past, and see if this smoothing oil can also give me beautiful straight strands. And it's called Viper. You only need like a couple of pushes or squeezes of the pump, and or squirts is the word, and it's really soft. You can feel it in the hand. And here comes the Wavetech, and that's the one that I will be using. It's a foam that I will be using in my next video when I want to have those beautiful tousled waves without any crunch. And the first ingredient is again water. So without any further ado, let's show the inside where it says "Hi beautiful," and let's get to the rest of the video. Hope you enjoy.